Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can download Brawlstars on your PC. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open a preferred browser and search for Brawlstars Download PC. You will see a list of search results. Scroll down until you find the LD Player website and click on it. A new web page will load up. On the LD Player website, you will see a download button. Click on the download button and then wait for the download to complete. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the LD Player software on your PC. After the installation is complete, open it up, and inside LD Player, you will find Brawlstars already installed. If not, you can use the built-in search feature within LD Player to find and install Brawlstars. So that's basically how you can download Brawlstars on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.